So we started our software. The device is already connected with the USB cable. So see, this is the interface. So this is the first screen which will be shown after we start the device. So here is the menu. See, measurement these are the measurement parameters: S11, S21, S12 and S22. Basically S11 and S22, these are used to measure the reflection parameters, and S21 and S12, these are used to measure the transmission parameters. So let us start with the menu, trace and channel. Okay, so just go in display, number of traces, allocate channels, allocate traces. So we will start with allocate channels. So see here, different windows are there, up to 16 channels we can select. For example, see this, the single channel, 2 channel, horizontal, 3 channel vertical, 3 channel horizontal. So like this, there is a lot, we can select up to 16 channels. So we need to just double click on a channel in which we want to take the measurements. So for right now we will just select a single channel, and number of traces, go to here, number of traces, 4. So 4 traces are there. We will again select allocate traces option, Windows 4. So now in different windows, different parameters, S11 in the trace 1, trace 2, S21 and trace 3 and trace 4. So right now the format is still log mag. So this is for a single channel, which if we want to maximize trace, we have to just double click like this. Okay, so these are the basically display options. We can allocate up to 16 traces in a single channel. So like this, these we have selected the 4 traces. If we want to change, so go to number of traces and select to 16. So see, these are the 16 traces within a single channel. We'll return back to display, number of traces 4, and allocate traces to this single 4.